Asthma, dermatitis, allergies, contaminated water, air pollution as bad as smoking, fucked up hormones, infertility, destroyed ecosystems, animal testing. You see that? Well, that's the water supply, and that's what the chemical cleaning products do. Everybody uses them in huge quantities. And don't even turn around, you're included. But criticizing doesn't work. The only thing we can do is do. Because words usually change nothing. You ever made someone change, saying you're wrong? I don't think so. The good thing is that alternatives exist. And you can use them. And that changes the money flow. And if you change where the money goes, that's where enterprises wake up. That's the best slap in the face you can do to an enterprise. Okay, so what you can do? There are a lot of commercial soaps and cleaning products safe for use and ecologic. Soap of Marseille, soaps with bile that breaks fats, and other homemade solutions. For example, let's explain how to make one of them for cleaning the dishes and even the floor. We will need 100 grams of sodium cocoa sulfate, 60 grams sodium cocoa isothionate, 20 grams of water, 8 grams of citric acid, and 12 grams of soda crystals. Sodium cocoa sulfate and sodium cocoa isothionate are surfactants. That means they modify the superficial tension between two surfaces and attract fat and water. So, in a nutshell, it takes the fat from the surface when it mixed with the water, what makes it perfect to clean dishes. Then citric acid. It's an acid that kills the bacteria, cleans the stains, and removes calcium deposits. And finally, the soda crystals. It's like bicarbonate of sodium, but better for cleaning and not made for consumption. It removes burned foods from pans and prevents drain from becoming clogged. These ingredients are biodegradable and safe when they are not thrown to the water in huge quantities, like every product. So go to your store, some pharmacies and natural store sells, or even in the internet. Buy and let's do it. First, don't breathe the products. They're irritating when they're alone. So keep distance when you put them or use a mask. Then mix the sodium cocoa sulfate, the sodium cocoa isothionate, and 20 ml of water into a pot. Put to the minimum temperature and keep mixing them until they become more compacted. Don't panic if it looks bad. It's normal. Take out from the fire. Add 8 grams of citric acid and 12 grams of soda crystals. And see the magic appearing. Now it should be a perfect mess with a smooth consistency. Use a bit of water with the product and you'll see a hell of soap. And that's all. It takes like 10 minutes to do. You can use a glass jar with a wide aperture so you can take it easily, because it becomes compact. And it's better to let it for some days so the products calm down and stabilize, and you can use them safely. It lasts for 6 months easily. And to use it, put the water in the jar and use the water with the cleaning product, or squirt the product. But it's kinda hard to scratch, so a sponge it's not that useful. If you wanna clean other thing, you can, like clothes or the floor. Take a bigger container. You can use old 8 liters container from the washing machine products that you already finished. Wait until it dries and becomes compact. Then, when you need it, add warm water inside and use the liquid. You will be able to use it like that a lot of times. Well, work is done, and to remind you, because it's the channel of science and health, it won't have any smell. The dreams from the night and fairy tales flowers from fields, or just lemon and lavender, which are artificial fragrances that they sell you in a normal product. When you eat from the plate that contains it, or even breathe it, it acts like a hormonal disruptor. For a man, it blocks testosterone. For a woman, affects menstruation cycle and fertility. And for both, make you have numerous diseases, like sleep problems, thyroid disease, sexual dysfunction, cancers, etc. And they also release VOCs, volatile organic compounds. The potential risks have been highlighted in a quite recent study that we'll add in the description. They analyzed lung function of individuals who were employed long-term in cleaning roles, as well as those using regular cleaning products at home. It was found that lung function was markedly impacted in these people, to the extent of being compared with the effects of having smoked 20 cigarettes a day for 10-20 years. And it even destroys the gut flora when you eat from the plate that has rests of the product. And they have most of the time. Now, pause the video, go to the kitchen and smell a plate. If it has smell, is still having the product. Well, now you can enjoy your meal. Bon appétit! The same that happens to the fats from the plate, it happens inside you. Imagine, your cells and bacteria die when they face the soap you've just eaten, because their membranes are made of fat. And remember, even what we think cleans and protects us, like a cleaning product, in fact, is poisoning us.